Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies from 29th of June till 4th of July, and we are going to check out what are the guidance messages for you in this week. Alright, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. And I'm going to check out your past, present and future energies over here. Plus we will also see some advice for you for this week. Alright, so let's get started now for your reading for my Virgos past, present, future 29th of June till 4th of July. Okay, so at the back of the deck we have the Knight of Wands for you, and the obstacle for you this week is the Three of Cups. Okay, so if you talk about the obstacles in your life right now or in the coming week for you is, this can be somebody you are already known to, a person who is your friend, a person who is very close to you, family, or a family member, relative. It can be anyone. It can also be a third party person in your life, in your reading, because this is a love reading which we are focusing towards, and there's definitely someone in this reading, in this particular area, who is trying to come between two of you. So there's a third party commitment. There are third party issues coming up for you as an obstacle this week. So it can be a family member of your persons, it can be somebody relative, a friend, or a third person at all. So somebody is coming towards this commitment, towards this relationship in this week. Your overall energy with the Knight of Wands is, let me see, what do we have, what you are not seeing. You really are moving towards something which is very energetic for you. You have a lot of energy, you have a very strong aura for this particular situation, but deep within there is some Nine of Swords, Three of Swords, and the Ten of Swords, which something which you are not able to see, something which is coming towards an end. This is definitely a situation which is coming towards an end, and you are not able to see, definitely, but you are going towards this thing only. You know that something is ending, already, but you still want to go towards this thing. This can be a person who is not ready to take any step towards the relationship, or who is seeing the pros and cons for the relationship and then taking steps towards this relationship. That is what is seen in this situation. So this can be a person like that, because it's a situation where you are entering into it, but it's of no use. That is what is coming. So let's see. Your past energies are the Magician, Eight of Wands, and the King of Wands. So yes, you are very strong for this situation. At a certain time in the past, you manifested this thing. You wanted to communicate with this person. You were the one who wanted this thing to happen by anyhow. You were very firm in this decision, very firm. You took that decision and you knew that it is going to happen my way. You are very strong. That is what your strong energies are coming up for in your past. At present, we have the King of Swords, the Chariot, and Ace of Pentacles. At present also you are entering, but I'm really getting that you are entering into something new again. Okay, it can be the old relationship, it can be a new relationship as well. We will clarify what exactly, but this is a very strong, stable beginning, and it is a new beginning which is coming up towards you. Might be you have taken some decisions with this person, or this might be a person from the past only which is coming up again, and you are trying to give one more chance to this person. Something is happening over here. In the coming future, we have the Seven of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, and Two of Cups. So yeah, definitely you are really wanting to invest, or I would say that it's a situation where in the coming future, when you will see some changes, some drastic changes in your life, you will you will yourself move towards, you will yourself move on from that thing that is not serving you best. Although this person might be there, might be wanting to invest their energies in this relationship, but I don't see you doing the same, because you have already done the investment, already done the energy investment, time investment, everything in this relationship, and it's not your turn now, it's their turn, and that is why they are doing it more than you. Now let's do the clarification. Okay, so let's see. So why the Three of Cups is here as an obstacle for you in this reading? Three of Cups for you as an obstacle. Ten of Cups, Knight of Cups, and the Page of Cups. So there is a message coming towards you this week which might not be very healthy. Might be a family member is going to message you, but this is something negative which is coming up for you, because it is an obstacle. It might be coming into your way of reaching forward, reaching towards a beautiful relationship. This is something in regards with that. So family members, relatives, friends, so some messages coming, so just be aware for that situation if this is happening, because this might happen with many of you. Let's do this Knight of Wands energy in the overall. Why this Knight of Wands energy is here in the overall reading? Two of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and Four of Wands. Yeah. Okay. So why are you thinking to go back towards this thing? Although this was an ending, it was a sudden ending, and this was definitely an ending, to be very honest. Yes, this was an ending. There was so strong anxiety, depression prone you might have become at certain time. This was a heartbreak. There was a strong betrayal from the other end towards you, but you still are attracted towards that because you might have not moved on from that past. Or if you are already moving on, or you have moved on, again there are second thoughts which are coming, because you have made a decision in regards with this person that you do not want to go towards this thing. Okay, you do not want, but this person might be becoming very attracted towards you. This is like, they are now, they have come back with a stable offer, and that is why they are trying to call you. But this relationship was really toxic at a certain time, and that is why you are not able to forget that past memories which this relationship left you with. And when this person is coming back again, this is an all, a rush kind of a feeling which you are feeling inside. But again, seeing this stability in this person, you really want to go back to them. See, there are two ways, there are two chances, there are like multiple thoughts which are coming towards you for this person. Okay, so let's clarify what kind of manifestation you did in the past with the Magician. What kind of work you did? I really want to know, because what exactly happened? Okay, yeah. Four of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, and Page of Wands. So this person, definitely you were manifesting this person, you were manifesting a beautiful relationship, but this person was always like, no, I'm not going to work on this relationship. They always tried to be very immature. They always wanted to work on themselves first. They always wanted to work on themselves, work on their money, work on like career, finances. Those things were very important for them. For you, they were important, but for them, their work, their self, okay, their life was important. So they rejected all the offers which you gave in the past. And now, but you still kept on communicating with them. Why this King of Wands is here? I think this is their energy. King of Wands clarified by King of Wands, Page of Swords, and the Hierophant. So yes, this person was really not accepting that you are really doing a lot for them, and it was like, so what it's your duty, you have to do, you have to work for me, and that is why you are doing it. It's like they were always, they always taken you for granted. So the energies for your readings, which are the zodiacs which are coming up, are Sagittarius and Pisces, Scorpio, Libra, Gemini, and what else we have? Taurus is coming strong. Taurus and Aries energies are also coming. Let's see what more is coming your way. So I want to see why this King of Swords energy is coming. So this is more of an Aquarius, Libra and Gemini energy. More of Aquarius, strong Aquarius energy coming. Why this King of Swords coming up for you in the present? Who is this King of Swords? Let me clarify. Three of Wands, the World, and Seven of Swords. Somebody who has betrayed you in the past, they are coming back. That is what I'm really getting at present. This is a new beginning. If you choose this new beginning as a new beautiful beginning, but it has a lot of scars from past. It's not really easy for you to just go with this person again, because it's really hard for you. You have come up from a very bad turmoil, very bad memories coming up your way, and you have seen those. Although this person is showing you very different perspective now, they are that we are changed now. This person is like, I'm not cheating you anymore, but it's like it's really hard for you to forget and forgive as well. Okay, so let's see. I want to check the Ace of Pentacles energy in this present energies. Ace of Swords, the Hanged Man, and the Two of Wands. I think that you are not going to take any decision. Right now, you are not taking any decision towards this person. You are just going on your way. You have chosen your way and you are moving towards that. You have chosen a path. You are working for that. A new beginning with clarification is coming, but you are not accepting this person, or you are not accepting any offer right now. You are taking a break from the situation. That is what is coming up. There's no action which is being taken at present. Let me now clarify. Seven of Pentacles. Why the Seven of Pentacles is here in your future energies? What kind of investment are you or your person is going to invest? What kind of energy investment? Justice, Empress, and Four of Swords. Definitely, I don't see any, to be very honest, I do not see any situation, any decision making done. But still, I think you are going to choose a very strong path. It might hurt you at certain point, but for your healing, that would be necessary. I do not see, strong reconciliation energies. But still, if you do some reconciliation with this past person, you will be very balanced now, Leos. I really am getting Libra energies very strong. This might be a Libra, or you might be having a Libra in your chart somewhere, and that is why your energies are very balanced. You are not going to take any step just like that. You are just balancing your aura, your heart, your mind, and then you are going to take a decision. Reconciliation or not, this is up to you. But you have changed a lot this way. Let me check this Two of Cups, because there's a strong date. I'm really getting that you are going on a date. But let's see why this Two of Cups energies are here. Eight of Pentacles, Judgment, and Three of Cups. Definitely. Reconciliation happening, Judgment card, renewal of the old energies, past energies, working on something old, fixing the old things now, working for a better future. It's like you might be saying goodbye to the past bad memories and welcome to a new future with this person. You can be doing that as well. Okay, so let me just pull out some advice cards for you for this week. Page of Swords, Ten of Cups, and Two of Swords. So strong strong Libra energies again with the swords, two of swords energy. So this is you who is going to take a decision. You're not going to listen to anyone while taking this decision, and that is the advice. Do not listen to anyone. Okay, whatever decision you are going to make, this should be your decision. It should focus on your development, what you want, whether you want a family with this person or not. It's all up to you. That is what is coming up. This is the advice for you for this week. So that is all from my side, my dear Virgos. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.